Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. So we just received a new product from SKG. This is their neck massager G7 Pro Fold. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the brand, they've been around actually since 2007, but they just came into the Philippines this year. No? So they specialize in wearable health devices such as the one that you're seeing right now, which is the neck massager. And what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and give you guys a quick preview of what this can do and how it can be beneficial for you. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see right here, nakalagay dito na customized leather, folding storage, one-touch joystick control, deep hot compress, powerful 9D massage. Kulang na lang dito magkaroon siya ng parang fan, parang neck fan na rin siya. No? But this is not what this is all about. This is more of really for massaging purposes. So now, just in case you need to know, you have to consult also with your doctor if this is something that is suitable for you, especially if you have high blood. So double check nyo lang muna kung pwede sa inyo ito. No? Now, at the back, you find here the model, battery capacity, input power, 10 watts, rated input voltage, 5 volts. Okay, so why didn't I boss it? Ayun na nga, kinontak tayo ng SKG and they told me that they'll be sending this one and I said, sige, no problem. I mean, it's not every day you would receive a massager for your neck, diba? So might as well. So this is the neck massager manual. Siya. You've got a carrying case also right here. Cool, ganda. Quality. And yan na siya. It moistens neck, massage heads. Oh, it does also massages head. And massages head for better comfort. Cool. You also have a charger. Okay, so that's pretty much everything inside the box. Wala na sa ilalim. So, kompleto na siya. And now, let's move on to the actual device. Let me just put everything here first. Alright, so ito na siya. No? Controls, you've got everything here. You've got, natutupi rin siya, ano? Yan, no? Para pwede mo siyang ilagay mismo sa pinaka-bag. I was actually wondering kung bakit parang ang liit ng bag niya because natutupi siyang ganyan. You have the charger port right there. Plus, if you want to mute it, kasi when you use it, ay sasabihin din niya kung ano yung mode na ginagamit mo. You've got the controller stick here as I showed you earlier. And now, if we put it on and press and hold this button right here, vitality mode. So you can now cycle through the different modes of the neck massager. Okay? So, nagpapulsate siya, iba-iba, no? It kind of changes directions. It's overall a really relaxing feeling. I don't know what to say. It's my first time really experiencing this kind of product. So, if you try on touching this portion right here, you can change the modes available. Pulse level 2. Pulse level 1. I'm okay with pulse level 1. Yan. Marami din siya mga modes available. And as I mentioned earlier, meron din siyang parang, as you can see, yung parang umiinit, hot compress. No? Medyo mainit din siya ng konti. Long press to turn off, short press to switch mode. Relieve stress. Pulling mode. Soothing mode. And as you can see, nangyayari dun sa pinaka mga vibrating thingies. Hot compress, medium, relax mode, vitality mode, relieve stress. So medyo intense na siya ng konti. Tingnan natin. Ooh, okay. Alright, overall, this is a really interesting product. Congratulations to SKG for bringing this to the country. I'm pretty sure some people would love this kind of product. You can go check out their online stores here in the Philippines. No? If you're looking for something like this, I do encourage to check them out. That's it, guys. It's been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thanks again to SKG for sending over this massager. Something that I'd really like to try for a longer bit of time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.